Good morning. Okay, so today I know the biggest question you always want to know different examples of utilities, cost of living in Wichita, Kansas. So today I just want to go over a Reflection Ridge home. So, kind of, this should be a good example of houses in the Reflection Ridge area. And I gave a little bit extra information, as you can see in the green Sharpie that I did, just to kind of, before we look at the numbers, to kind of give you an idea. It is a two-story, so let's consider it a three-story because it does have a basement. It is 3,500 square feet, so a large house. And the lot is about a third of an acre, 0.31, I believe. There's like two occupants for the most part, three. They kind of live somewhere else as well. So when you're looking at these numbers, yes, it's probably be a little bit higher, just like, I mean, like with water, if you have more family members living there, if they were there, they probably keep like in the summer, keep the AC a little bit higher when they're not there. And so just to kind of keep that in mind. But hey, it's some numbers. I always like to, when I get my numbers from sellers, to kind of share that information. So again, Reflection Ridge, great area over in the northwest part of Wichita. It's a golf community, so golf course and et cetera. So electric. So we've got Evergy is the company that's used here. I believe that's for all over gas, it's Black Hills. The main one we see here in all of Wichita is Kansas Gas, but Black Hills does have a section. I think it's mostly on the west side. Don't quote me on that though. 100. So Evergy for this $140 a month in electric, and I'm guessing this might be the average. I know you can pay bills two different ways here. And so take this number with a grain of salt. These are sellers giving me these numbers, but it could be an average. Other people don't do the averages, and so of course the electric would be a lot higher in the summer, probably double that, 300, and the winter, of course, would be far down. And then, of course, the furnace would be much higher in the winter and lower in the summer. But looks like he gave me averages on this. And then Wichita Water, $50. I would go up a little bit more with more members in the house. 60, 70. Yeah, I would definitely go higher on that. Natural gas, again, is Black Hills and Energy. The other one is Kansas Gas. But in this case, in this Reflection Ridge, looks like it's natural gas. 136, again, this number would be pretty high. I would double it if you don't do the averages in the winter. In the summer, this would go down a lot. And then they gave some other examples of Cox. Granted, this number can go all over depending on what Star, HBO, other stuff you buy, but $120 a month, and how many different rooms you have it in. I would guess in this case, I know there's a TV in the basement, TV in the main floor. I'm not sure about upstairs. And then waste connections is 45 a quarter. That to me seems kind of low. And I know I would go, and not that it's much higher. I would think typically I would see 60 a quarter. So again, it's not, $20 a month, let's call it. And then I just want to put this as far as for the water bill. There is a well on the property. It's for irrigation. So again, this is over in Reflection Ridge, really nice community houses. I'd say 400K and above. Many of are 500K, and even higher than that, depending again, desired area, but that kind of shows you. So like I said, it's a two-story, so basically three levels, really large house at 3,500 square feet, two occupants living there part-time. Once in a while, I think there's a third. And so there you have it. If you have any questions, give me a holler, and thanks for watching.